Imagine a world where storms grow stronger and wildfires rage longer than ever before, where the very air and oceans are shifting in ways that turn natural disasters into supercharged threats. This isn't the future, it's happening now. Climate change is rewriting the rules of extreme weather, magnifying hurricanes and wildfires in ways we are only beginning to understand. Join me as we explore how our warming planet fuels these colossal forces and what that means for the future of life on Earth. As the Earth's temperature climbs, the delicate balance of natural weather systems is unraveling. The same forces that once shaped seasonal storms and wildfires now fuel events of unprecedented intensity. From hurricanes that roar with faster winds and pour relentless rain to wildfires that scorch vast forests and linger for weeks, climate change is amplifying nature's fury. In this video we'll dive into the science behind these supercharged storms and fires, explore the links to our changing climate, and uncover what it means for the planet and for us all. Get ready to see extreme weather through the lens of a warming world, where every degree counts and every event tells a story of change. Imagine our planet's atmosphere and oceans as a delicate balance, finely tuned over millions of years. But now something has shifted. The Earth is warming, fast. This rising heat is not just a number on a thermometer, it's the driving force behind some of the wildest and most dangerous weather events we've ever seen. The oceans absorb more than 90% of the excess heat caused by greenhouse gases from human activities. This causes sea surface temperatures to rise, which is absolutely crucial in the story of hurricanes. Hurricanes are nature's gigantic heat engines. They feed off warm ocean waters, which provide the energy needed to grow larger and stronger. As oceans heat up, the potential intensity of hurricanes increases dramatically. Warmer waters mean hurricanes can pack more power, with stronger winds that uproot trees, damage buildings, and threaten lives. They also hold more moisture, leading to heavier rains that cause severe flooding. In fact, research shows that many recent hurricanes are more intense and produce more rainfall than storms from previous decades. But it's not just hurricanes impacted by this warming. On land, higher temperatures lead to hotter, drier conditions, especially in forested and grassland regions. When vegetation dries out, these areas turn into ticking time bombs, ready to ignite at the slightest spark. This is why wildfire seasons have grown longer and the fires themselves bigger, more destructive, and harder to control. Heat waves, droughts, and reduced soil moisture further dry ecosystems, setting the stage for wildfires that burn hotter and spread faster. These fires destroy homes, displace wildlife, and release massive amounts of carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, creating a feedback loop that accelerates warming even more. Understanding the rising heat and how it fuels both hurricanes and wildfires is key to grasping the way climate change is reshaping our extreme weather. In the next part, we'll explore how these storms and fires are changing in behavior, why hurricanes linger longer and wildfires rage more fiercely. The nature of hurricanes is changing in profound ways. One surprising discovery from climate scientists is that hurricanes are moving more slowly across the landscape. This slowdown means storms dump rain for longer periods over the same area, resulting in catastrophic flooding. Take Hurricane Harvey in 2017, which stalled over Texas, releasing more than 60 inches of rain in some places. The devastating floods caused widespread damage and thousands of evacuations. This pattern of slower-moving storms has raised alarms across the scientific community because it means even weaker storms can cause extreme flooding if they linger too long. Meanwhile, the warmer oceans not only make hurricanes stronger but also contribute to a rise in sea levels from melting ice caps and thermal expansion. This rise means storm surges, the ocean's wall of water pushed ashore by hurricane winds, are higher and penetrate further inland, flooding cities and overwhelming flood defenses. On the wildfire front, extended drought periods driven by climate changes create conditions ripe for massive fires. Hotter temperatures and less rainfall dry out forests, making sparks from lightning strikes or human activity ignite fires that spread rapidly and burn for weeks or months. The intense heat from these wildfires generates its own weather, creating strong winds that fan the flames and even thunderstorms that produce additional lightning, fueling a vicious cycle of fire growth. Together, these changes in hurricanes and wildfires pose a growing threat to communities worldwide. Their patterns are no longer predictable by old historical records, placing huge importance on advanced monitoring and early warning systems. Despite the challenges, science and technology are offering new hope. Enhanced satellite systems and AI-powered models improve hurricane tracking and wildfire prediction, allowing emergency teams to prepare people earlier and evacuate vulnerable areas more effectively. Researchers around the globe are focused on understanding how climate change impacts extreme weather patterns to inform better building codes, disaster response, and recovery strategies. Initiatives to protect carbon-storing ecosystems like mangroves and forests also help slow global warming and reduce the risk of extreme fires. And floods. On a larger scale, international commitments to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through renewable energy and sustainability practices aim to curb the increasing severity of these natural disasters. While climate change supercharges hurricanes and wildfires, our knowledge, preparedness, and action can save lives and protect communities. The road ahead requires continued scientific research, technological innovation, and united global effort. By understanding the dynamic link between climate change and extreme weather, each of us can become part of the solution, helping build resilience in a warming world. As we've seen, climate change is not just an abstract concept. It's a powerful force magnifying the intensity and danger of extreme weather events like hurricanes and wildfires. These changes affect millions of lives, ecosystems, and the very future of our planet. But knowing the science behind the storms and fires puts us in a better position to prepare, protect, and act. The road ahead requires global cooperation, innovative science, and personal commitment. Whether it's supporting policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, championing sustainable choices, or staying informed and ready. During storm and fire seasons, every action counts. If this video helped you understand the urgent connection between climate change and extreme weather, share it far and wide. Hit the like button if you care about our planet's future, subscribe for more science stories that matter, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Together we can face these challenges with knowledge, courage, and hope. Stay safe, stay curious, and see you in the next video.